Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some of the coolest nail designs perfect for all my fellow 11-year-old out there. Whether you're a beginner or a nail art pro, these designs are easy, fun, and will make your nails look amazing. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get started. Designing nails can be a fun and creative activity for 11-year-old, allowing them to express their personality and style. Here are 6 nail designs suitable for young tweens. Idea N01. Rainbow tips. Paint each nail with a different color of the rainbow, starting with red on the thumb and ending with violet on the pinky finger. Alternatively, paint each nail a different color and add tiny clouds or rainbows for an extra cute touch. Idea N02. Emoji faces. Use a variety of bright nail polish colors to paint different emoji faces on each nail. Smiley faces, hearts, and peace signs are popular choices. You can use a nail art pen or a toothpick dipped in nail polish to create the details. Idea N03. Glitter ombre. Start with a light base color like pink or blue, and then apply a glitter polish from the middle of the nail to the tip. This creates a subtle ombre effect that's sparkly and fun without being too flashy. Idea N04. Fruit salad. Paint each nail a different pastel color. Then add tiny fruit designs like strawberries, watermelons, or pineapples using nail art pens or stickers. Finish with a clear top coat to seal in the design. Idea N05. Galaxy nails. Begin with a dark blue or black base coat. Then, use a sponge to dab on layers of purple, pink, and blue polish to create a galaxy effect. Add tiny white dots for stars using a toothpick or nail art pen. Finish with a coat of glitter polish for extra sparkle. Idea N06. Animal prints. Choose a light base color like white or pastel pink, and then add animal print designs using a nail art pen or thin brush. Leopard spots, zebra stripes, and tiger stripes are all popular choices. You can also use stickers or stencils to create the designs if freehand drawing is challenging. Remember to use non-toxic nail polish and remover, and always supervise young children when they're using nail polish or nail art tools. Encourage creativity and experimentation, and have fun trying out different designs together. And there you have it, guys. 6 super fun and fabulous nail designs that are perfect for all my fellow 11-year-olds to try out. I hope you enjoyed watching, and that you're feeling inspired to get creative with your nails. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment down below, telling me which nail design was your favorite, or if you have any other nail art ideas you'd like to share. Until next time, stay creative and keep on sparkling. Bye.